Did you have a hard time to choose the gift for the people you care? Or, looking from other side, how many gifts you received in your life you actually liked or wanted? It's kind of stress from both sides, right? You're not alone. 68% of the millennials said they received unwanted gift, and in just US, in 2019, it costed around $16 billion. Can you imagine how much we're wasting and stressing? Not anymore. We created Chapon, an AI-driven fashion and gift social app where you can send and receive personalized gifts with guaranteed satisfaction. You may wonder how we do it. Our AI analyzes your social networking and creates a profile which entails styles, brands, and colors you like. Based on your profile, we give the list of recommendations to your family, your friends, or your followers according to your style, celebrities you follow, or the things you like in general. They don't have to worry about the style, brand, color, material, and even your size. We'll fit everything according to you. It's just a few clicks from them. Help your beloved ones to make a better choice for you and make a better choice for your beloved ones.